Yo, what it be? It's your boy Second Chance, but you already know. Back at it again with another video. Okay, I didn't disappear. I haven't uploaded for like a year. Maybe it ain't been that long. Maybe it's been like 4 months. But don't worry about all of that. All right, I was getting my life together, getting some things situated, getting some things changed or weighted. Yeah, I just made that up. But all right, I ain't gonna waste no more time. I think we should just hop right into this one. This is the top 5 men YouTube channel you should be watching. Let's get it. Drop that new intro, by the way. Okay, these is not gonna be in no particular order, by the way, but as you can see playing right behind me, we got AMS. Okay, now if you in the dating scene, even if you're not in the dating scene, you always need to be aware of female nature. Okay, I'm gonna just put it that way. Okay, now I also got a dating channel, but that's not even important. Okay, if you are not caught up and you need a constant reminder of the vulnerabilities of putting yourself out there in certain scenarios, you need to make sure you watch him. Okay, because stuff can easily go sideways, flip upside down right around town. All right, and you can be brokenhearted chasing your own tail. Okay, watch him. He gonna drop you some knowledge, drop you some gems, and you're not gonna be able to be as vulnerable towards women without the previous knowledge of watching him. Trust. Think I'm playing? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and drop the second one for today. All right, we got Jose, aka Teaching Men's Fashion. Okay, now he coming with a wide variety of just straight knowledge and gems that's gonna keep you from being friends with these women. Okay, everything from like hygiene, dating tips. I think he even has some fashion, of course, some overall business, entrepreneurial aspects of life. You know, seeing him go from I think I first started following him when he had like 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Now he up to like 6 million. Matter of fact, let me check and see, because I don't want to say no lies. Yeah, he up to 5.69 million. Might as well be 6. But yeah, a wide variety of topics. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Okay, we're gonna just keep it popping. All right, coming right next up, we got Beast Mode Jones. Now, I'm gonna give it to you straight. If you a man and you have 0% of a healthy fitness regimen, you need to look back on some things and reconsider. Okay, now I done been in the fitness YouTube game as a producer, editor, videographer since 2015. Okay, now I got probably somewhere around like 6 million published views as an editor or sound design, camera operator, everything. All right, now you run into a couple of people. Okay, and I'm not just saying this just because he from the crib. You know, I'm from Texas, he from right down the street from me. I ain't gonna say where, because you know it's crazy stalkers out there. All right, you run into a few people in your life that's just genuine as hell. Okay, now he gonna give it to you straight. He gonna give it to you 1,000% honest. Okay, in this fitness world, that is much needed, because it's a lot of people lying to you out here just to get a quick sale, a quick buck, just to have you like have false dreams and narratives. No, you're not gonna get that with him. You're gonna get the real. Plus, you know, it don't help that he low-key a comedian. And yeah, trust. subscribe to Chris Jones, Beast Mode Jones, and you will not be disappointed. Okay, jumping right to it. This is number 4. By the way, like I said, this is no order. Oh, y'all think y'all slick? They hit me with that. They hit me with that sponsorship, but I feel you got to go ahead and get paid. Okay, number 4. We talking about the OG. He's been doing this for a long time. Alpha M. Okay, Aaron. And if you're not watching him, you're doing something wrong, because he's talking about everything. I'm talking about everything, from low T to skin regimen, skin health, to fashion, to cars, to building businesses. Everything you need, he's going to cover it. Okay, he even exposes himself sometimes, talking about how he didn't felt like cheating on his wife, how he didn't got caught up texting other girls, how he didn't ran into some failures, didn't have some businesses flop. Okay, and you need to learn how to bounce back from this, because this is proof right here that no matter what happens, you can still bounce back from it. Like I said, I think he got like 7 million subscribers. We talking about big name numbers. If you want to look up some numbers, look at his Social Blade. Okay, now moving on to the next. This next one, I'm about to get 1000% real with y'all. All right, I had to include him because to be blunt, we was at the bottom together. Okay, when I first moved to LA, going through my worst struggles, he was also going through something very, very comparable. All right, now I'm not gonna put all his business out there, but I'm pretty sure he didn't spoke about it on a couple of his videos. Okay, but if you want to talk about seeing a person come from the bottom and make it to the top, which he's still climbing. He made it to the top yet. He already in Hollywood and made it past YouTube by now. But just appreciating the growth of coming from the bottom and making it to the top. This is somebody you need to watch right here, Jeff Logan. I will go ahead and insert some clips from back in the day. We're in the middle of Halloween, even though it's not Halloween yet.
Wait, you about to get hit by a car?
Nah, I was finna walk anyway. For fitness, but all the plans have changed. I don't know if we're gonna be shooting a video now.
Oh, we're gonna shoot it? Nah, it's gonna be with the phone.
His camera acting up. We didn't try 2 different memory cards. Forgot to get the food before we smashed it, but it's all gone though.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, you wanna see the murder scene? No. Rest in peace.
When I was still living in LA, living the struggle life, low key homeless multiple times. You know, like I said, he got a video explaining it all. I might actually link it down below, but yeah, I had to include your boy. Go follow him on Instagram if you need some motivation. If you need some extra push, he gonna have you covered. All right then, to the next video. Holla at your boy. Hey, shout out to Terry Warfield, by the way. He always do this. But this is editor second chance. All right, now I could have went into far more detail about these people, but I just wanted to keep the video as short as possible. You know, people's attention span with TikTok and Reels nowadays is not really that long, so we finna switch up the videos. I might do some long content, might do some short content, but yeah, we gonna try to keep it around a sweet spot. All right, we out. Whoosh. Okay.